Welcome back to NedusTech. Today, I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC using the Microsoft Store. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Click the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and select it from the results. If you can't find it in the Start menu, try searching for it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search bar at the top right corner and type WhatsApp Desktop. From the search results, click on a WhatsApp Desktop to open the app page. Next, click the Get Auth Installs button to download WhatsApp to your PC. Depending on your internet speed, this will only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open WhatsApp Desktop. Click Get Started, and you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner or go to Settings, then select Link Devices. Tap the linker device on your phone, then scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Your WhatsApp is now linked to your PC, and you're ready to start chatting seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NedusTech for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.